everybody, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome to our channel.
Oh. And I'm Jaleesa, this is my cousin Chelsea.
Howdy.
We are first time YouTubers, and we are going to do first impressions.
Yeah, that works.
For me, first impressions of the mini controversy. Alright, in this video we will be telling each brush and each makeup product that we were using, and we will also link it down below in the description. But we're starting off with the primer. This is the Pore-blem Primer by Touch and Soul. I like to dab the primer into the pores first, or rub it into the skin. I didn't even ask you, how was your...
Mexico, Belize, Honduras, and the Grand Caymans.
She brought me back a penis.
It was a keychain.
Okay, now we're using foundation, and I'm using her Morphe in the shade F350 Matte. And I'm using the RT001 brush. Okay, after I apply with the brush, I like to go over the foundation with a beauty blender. This is the Real Technique sponge, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Correct. Just to get rid of all the crease marks or smudges from the brush. But if you have a really good brush, they usually don't leave those. Moving on. Now I'm using the concealer, Pretty Vulgar, in the shade, I don't even know, Undercover. Okay, next step. I am using the Morphe Bronzer and Contour. It's called Showmance? Showmance. Okay. I will be using the Morphe brush. She looks snatched. Carve out these jaw lines. Next, I will be carving out the nose. Body positivity. I'm gonna use a bigger brush to blend it in. Notch. Okay, I'm using the Becca Hydro Set and Refresh Powder. Also using the Morphe something brush.
So profesh.
Who knows? Okay, on to blush. I'm using the Gellar Tropic Hues.
It's the Baked Blush Brighten
Brown brush. Okay, next we're going to do her eyebrows. She already done them, but I'm gonna do them again. Okay, and we're done.
Talk about what's the cool jams, what's the hot gossip. Okay, so again, she did all this off camera because we thought it was recording, but it wasn't. So I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Big Ego. So we didn't record any of the eye portion. Unfortunately, we thought we were professionals, but we're not.
We also have a special little guest.
Wow.
Sad. What I did for the eyes that we did not record whatsoever. But before that, I did a transition state with Diet Root Beer, and then outer corner canceled. And then I kind of did that all the way to, I want to say about the middle of her eyelid, and I used Flat Earth. Is that what you, inner corner? And then for the bottom lash line, I use the Stimulation. And that's what I did for eyes. And she also put on mascara. I'm also going to highlight her brow bone with this. Oh. Okay.
It's fine, we're fine.
Everything's fine. Everything's fine.
It's been a rough day.
I just want to go home.
She is home. It's Jeffree Star.
Morphe X Jeffree Star. This is their lip gloss in the shade Star Crown. Looks like concealer to me.
I am not ashy, it's just the shade of gloss I have.
Okay, now, last step, we are doing highlights. Too Faced in the shade Canary Diamond. Oh yas, oh yas. That is the end of our makeup tutorial slash first impressions. If you would like to use any of the products that we used in this video, we will link them down below in the description box. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment. And I am Jaleesa.
And I'm Chelsea.
And thank you for watching our channel. Until we see you next time, stay classy.